Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the dude? You're just gonna stop in the middle of the road? Yeah.
Are you kidding me? What the is that?
Dumbass! Got a stop sign!
Video protected.
So which frozen pizza brand will give me the most PFAS for my dollar? No way. Are you kidding me?
What?
I dropped my helmet.
Out the window?
Out the window.
What? God damn. Oh, that guy just ran it over. No. It's under his car. Oh, you mother... Careful. No.
God damn it! No way, dude. Don't you dare.
Scooby-Doo and oh shit. Fuck yeah, Adam.
Did announce that the players have been suspended indefinitely and cannot practice with the team. Nelson's attorney for the board. People or companies? You'll want to ask in a minute.
Holy shit! Hey, I got dash cam of that shit.
I got dash cam, mother. Oh, yo. Oh, yo.
Hands instead, you know?
It's not a practical choice.
Okay.
What's he doing?
Not really fast though.
Gotta get back to the police station to take a dump.
Holy shit!
Whoa, whoa! Holy shit!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Shit, is somebody in the road?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.